So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will discuss this writing task 2 that was part of 16 December 2023 IELTS exam in India. Okay, so it was part of India IELTS exam. So here you can see this outweigh question was there this time. Advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Okay, so let's read the question statement, and I'm giving you assurance that within 10 minutes you will understand how to write these types of essays. And I am not following any templates now this time, and I am writing it freely. But yes, some words, some phrases you should use it. I have also used it because this will give us some guidelines, just some helping lines to just express our things about the main topic. That is also the main topic, main thing you need to cover it. Okay, so we will discuss format also, and planning also, brainstorming also, of course vocabulary also. I will just show it to you. And yes, let's discuss, let's read the question statement. You can also read it. In today's world, private companies rather than the government pay for and conduct most scientific research. Okay, so what kind of question IELTS examiners are giving it, I don't understand. But yes, they want to they want that you students should get good brainstorming about the main topic actually. Okay, so here when I read this topic, so I couldn't understand, so I read it 4 times. So you should also do it, whether you understand the topic in one go or you are not understanding. Please still you read the question statement 4 times. That is more important. And of course we had done that is also part of planning. First 5-6 minutes planning is important. So now I am analyzing the statement. Private companies rather than government company pay for and conduct most scientific research. It means private companies are doing most research work instead of government. Yes, we can understand government has to take care of other important issues also, like political, poverty, illiteracy, and so many issues. Some natural calamities also sometimes it may occur. So money budget is limited for the governments now, but private company can do it with the help of some government budget also. Okay, now this is my brainstorming, what I am discussing with you. Okay, now planning. 4 times we have read. Now I have analyzed the main topic. So what is the main topic? So this is my main topic: research work by private company instead of government. Okay, now brainstorming we will be doing. I will just tell you what is the format of this outweigh. So outweigh means, so this is not simple question. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? If you think that you have to write equal number of advantages and equal number of disadvantages, then you are wrong. And doesn't matter if you write advantages and disadvantages equal number of these things, then there is no problem. But if you just bring some outweigh word is there, that's why you have to, if you agree with the statement that it has more advantages than disadvantages, it means you are outweighing the, you are not, means there is no balance between these things. See this. So if you just do it like that, it has more. So I will just make it more. 3 advantages and 2 disadvantages I will be writing. Means it has more weight. Advantages has more weight as compared to disadvantages. Now I think you must be understanding what I mean to say. When there is outweigh word is there in the essay, you have to just bring this balance. No balance between advantages and disadvantages. Now format, as you know, introduction, body para 1, body para 2, conclusion. Now here we have to just show 3 advantages and 2 disadvantages. Now we can add one more paragraph if you want. Okay, and here it can convert it into third. Means in these 2 paragraphs, or you can combine it into 1 paragraph. We will just write 3 advantages into 1 paragraph, means it's a bigger paragraph. So here in 1 we will be writing advantages, in 2 we will be writing disadvantages. Okay, but here now some students will say, no, first we should write this disadvantages, small paragraph, and then we should write a big paragraph. No issue, you can just choose yourself what you want to say, because here it is given first advantages is given and then disadvantages. So I will just write first advantages and then disadvantages, then conclusion you will be writing. Now brainstorming. You can see this, I am showing you full here. For advantages, I have just brainstormed, like new technology will come out, like we are enjoying Apple iPhone and driverless vehicles also. Many new technology has developed because of these private companies, not government companies. Government has not developed anything relating to Apple iPhone and driverless cars and all. Okay, so companies profit and country will also benefit. Company will get profit because definitely when they are selling Apple iPhone, definitely they are getting, and you know this is more costly and people are just showing off their money by purchasing this Apple iPhone. You all know it. Okay, so I don't have dream to buy this, but yes, one day I will definitely just buy this. New technology, first definitely all will get new technology, companies profit will be there and country will also get benefit. Now companies own benefit, like companies own benefit, I have just analyzed how it is benefit. Employees will also get good salaries and companies profit efficiency will also increase, and yes, they will get some relaxation, good relaxation from government strict laws. If a company is doing some inventions and it is successful, then that will be a proud moment for any government also. Okay, and definitely disadvantages, it will be those companies, those who are doing research, they will just behave like a monopoly over the industry, because like you can see this example, driverless automobile company, I think Tesla is there. Yeah, Tesla. So that is monopoly company, that product. And same I can give this example, COVID vaccine, 4 companies they have developed this COVID vaccine and all. I don't remember the names. Definitely when they will be having monopoly in their product in the market, then they can charge higher prices. Okay, and definitely when company is doing some own research, they will just develop their own product related research. Okay, not other things. Okay, so drug company will definitely do research on medicines, not on other technical things. Okay, now vocabulary. Believe me, this vocabulary I have just searched on Google after writing my essay. Before that I have not searched. You will see my essay, and for that research word you can write investigation, exploration, analysis, testing, experimentation, probing into. And for private companies you can write non-government organization. Okay, private enterprises, private owned companies, private owned organizations. You can write so many things, unlimited things you can write it. This is your art skill. Okay, so these are all ready-made words, but when you are writing on your own, you will get your own words. Now let's go to introduction. Now one more thing, some students when they are my own students also, they are also, when they are submitting me essay on WhatsApp, they are writing introduction, conclusion, body paragraph 1. No, actual exam you don't have to write this introduction word. Okay, first paragraph is always understood that this is introduction. So how I have written my introduction? By paraphrasing the question statement. See this, in this contemporary word, in today's word, it is true that, now this I have added, it is true that non-government organizations engage with scientific research and development. See this, scientific research and development I have added. See this, in this contemporary word, it is true that non-government organizations engage with scientific research and development themselves. Research and development themselves. Instead of themselves means they are doing on their own without government help, instead of government paying for these scientific inventions. Okay, now this is all paraphrasing of question statement. According to my opinion, this phenomenon development has more benefits than its demerits. Now I am giving my consent for this statement. Okay, so this essay will not only elaborate its advantages but also highlight some disadvantages when private companies conduct research for their own interest along with my viewpoint. Okay, now so let's read my body paragraph 1. Now how I have started first paragraph, that is advantages, but before writing advantages I have written 2-3 sentences about government, because that is also a topic here. On the one hand, it is evident that nation's government has to invest and solve many significant issues such as poverty, illiteracy and political affairs, which makes it impossible to invest in science and research activities on the large scale. Okay, on a large scale or on the large scale. Now full stop is there. Now in this situation, many private companies are coming up with these experiments without government aids also, which leads to immense number of benefits. Now actual thing, my actual thing is starting from here. Okay, now I am introducing the topic that how private companies are coming up and what are the benefits. So benefits, new technology we will get. So these are the benefits. Let's read it. The first one means the most prominent one is that with these activities not only countrymen but also company itself would reap means they will get benefit. The post advantages of new technology. To illustrate it, Apple iPhone, driverless cars and many more which would not have been possible without the concerned company. In fact, I should write it here, technical company and automobile companies, technological companies and automobile, and these are known as wealthiest organizations in the world. Okay, in the world, I have forgotten to write. So second point, another second point is companies profit, and this we have discussed here. Another point, to support with little political support, these companies can spend huge amounts of research work which can brought revolutions in human world. So what I have designed, so when I was writing, so I got different words for the same almost. For instance, agricultural revolutions such as better seeds and crops and increased yield per hectare as a consequence. So this is my second point from here, and I have given example and I am giving the result. As a consequence, food production has improved globally. And then hungerness also, we have been able to remove hungerness from 70 to 80% part of the world, you can say. Lastly, these organizations are getting fame, goodwill, and in return high share value in stock market. So this is also this point I think I have forgotten to write. Yes, so this is also we can say profit benefit for the company also, those who are doing it. Now my second point, that is despite the advantages above discussed. So this is also good sentence structure, you should also follow it. So we will discuss about second disadvantages, monopoly. There could be some downsides to initiate when these organizations conducting lab activities. They become selfish as working only for their own product improvements. Products also you can write, such as drug companies, electronic and automobile companies. Not only this, here I should give example of, not only this, they would not be sharing any research theories with other enterprises dealing with some goods. Okay, this is coming up, high prices. As a result, these companies enjoy monopoly status and selling products at higher prices. To cite an example, Covaxin, which was developed in the UK, I think Covaxin in India, I think Covaxin, there were two more vaccine name was there, I don't remember, which was developed in the UK and sold at higher rates. On the contrary, Indian government involved with private drug company to invent COVID-19 vaccination, which was vaccinated for free to every Indian and distributed to many needful other nations. So this is my body paragraph 2, and you can conclude this paragraph hence. Okay, conclude it. Now conclusion. For this type of question, see this conclusion. To conclude, now I am using all the sentence structure. First, I will bring weaker side after although there are negligible downsides which can be seen. when private owned enterprises doing their own interested products such as monopoly, okay, because and then it will happen monopoly. I believe that there are more advantages. So now after comma, I believe that there are more advantages which gives profitability to both nation as well as company itself. So now I am giving suggestion. I would suggest that government should fix some budgets for research and development agencies equally to private and governmental institutes. You can write. Okay.